Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited about sharing today's video because I really love how this project turned out. I'm sharing with you how I updated, redesigned, and transformed an old wall mirror. Before we get started, I want to send a special shout out to you all for tuning in, checking out my video. I hope you all can try these simple projects at home and update items you currently have at home. I also want to say welcome to all the new subscribers. Okay guys, sit back, relax, and stay tuned. So I forgot to get a picture of the mirror before I got started. But as you can see here, it was a brown mirror with gold accents. So the first thing I did was cover the mirror with brown painter's paper and painter's tape. I am using Kiehl's all-purpose primer first to cover the brown mirror. We had this primer on hand from a previous project, but you can also purchase it from the Home Depot store. The first coat has been applied, which was the primer. Now for the next two coats, I use Glidden Essentials paint in the color white. I used 3 coats of paint to make sure it was fully covered and was a solid white. The next items I used were glue sticks, a glue gun, and crystal radiance beads that I purchased from my local Michael's store. I had these items on hand also, but again, I did purchase them from my local Michael's store. Right here, I am adding the crystal beads where the gold accents used to be. The beads will go around the entire frame. For each corner, I will use a larger size crystal bead. In this section, I used Mod Podge to adhere extra fine silver glitter. Now it's time to add the bling ribbon. I used a glue gun to adhere the bling ribbon to the inside border of the mirror. This is the outcome of my redesigned mirror. I absolutely love how this turned out. But tell me what you think in the comment section below. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. New content is coming soon. Thanks for watching.